Okay. It's going.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy RobGang. We back for another video, man. I'm coming back with another banger, man. I've been gone for a while. I'm coming back now. So today, I got something doing different for the show. I'm finna be letting my 22-year-old sister drive the RobGang mobile. You ready?
Why? Watch out.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta drive the big Bentley truck, man. Big BB truck, man. So like, go ahead and jump inside. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, look, shout out to Instagram. You anxious. She too anxious.
My Instagram?
Yeah.
__ Princess Liz.
Okay. Y'all go ahead and get her a follow over there. Stay tuned. We got more content on the way. Let's get into the inside. All right, y'all. We finna go ahead and get started. All right, first thing, mash the brakes a little bit. Get up. All right, hit the brakes. Get off the yellow cord. Okay, hit the brakes. Get familiar with them. Get them again. Okay, see how it goes. Okay. All right, go ahead. Let's go and put them dry. All right, go that way. Don't hit the gas yet.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm trying to make sure.
It's over in there line.
What line?
That one over here.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, if you scared, just say it.
No, I'm saying like, ooh, in a good way, man. Good, like, you know what I'm saying?
I'm too short. I feel like I'm too short.
Back to your right here.
It's outside or
Right
top for it?
Yeah,
That thing go by too, yeah.
What?
Yo, break. Yo, sit.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how to drive.
All right. What they did, like some glass.
Yeah.
This shit ain't been coming. I'm getting traffic. Go ahead, getting traffic. Your way.
I don't want to go. I gotta practice the brake.
Yeah.
This only thing I gotta practice is the grass.
You're doing good so far, man.
Huh?
Doing good so far.
I know how to drive. What you mean?
Okay. No, you going too fast, nigga.
To my what?
Take your time.
You thought I was going too fast?
Yeah. Okay, go your Hit on me. You go on the bill. Can't play with her, period.
I'm behind. I'm too short.
I hit, baby. I hit. Not to see that. Where you going?
You said turn this way.
Go.
I was just trying to make sure I could turn your little ride mobile. Okay.
Smash shot. Alright. Start showing us car. Hold on. Go up some. Go up. All the way up there by the curb. And turn the straight.
And turn what?
Turn the dip so you be facing it.
Like this?
Yeah, smash all the way up to the stop sign. Alright.
You don't know what they're doing.
Make the left hand stop sign. Just so it yeah. Push it. Dang. You've been avoiding the speed bump.
Who?
Yeah.
I ain't avoiding the speed. I know how to go over the speed bump. Hurry. right back. Now my leg hurt.
Shit, what?
My leg crampy. I'm too short for your car. I gotta fix this here. But, yeah, I could drive. Oop. I'm turn around for you.
Now park.
Huh?
Park to the parking spot.
Okay.
I'm gonna get out. Okay. I'm gonna get out. Stop. I want you to just back into the parking spot.
Back into one?
Yeah. And how do it? Put it in reverse?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so right now I'm with her back up. See if she's good at doing her backing up. Feeling good so far. My car is dirty right now. I ain't even tripping though. Y'all get the picture. I ain't sick cold. So. Straight. That'll have to do, y'all. That's just a have to do.
Hi, D.
You did good. Come look at it.
I shot back.
Yeah. Now get me up here right quick.
Okay. What you doing?
You want to see?
Okay, get in. Miss me though. A fine sister. My eye look cricket, but it's okay because I'm still fine. Alrighty. He think he a pro at driving, honey. I really just know how to drive. I just don't have my license. But I take my test March 6th, y'all. I can't see the sign blinding me, honestly. I could have got to get a new glasses prescription too. He dumb nothing. Dumb shit. Like when the old man, your grandparents just had down. I know it do. Huh?
I was doing a little playing around for y'all, man. Hey, yo, let's go ahead and get up out of here. Just like that, yeah. Just like that, yeah. Yeah, see no horses.
Why?
She see how she get scared and everything.
Why ain't nobody scared, but
Okay.
damn.
Yeah, how would you?
Alright now. Come on, phone.
We gotta slide up out of here, y'all. Oh, wait, go. Oh, we're gonna go that way. Oh, yeah, man. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. We out just like that, though. And stay tuned for more videos, man. Got more content on the way. How you think you did?
I think I did pretty good.
Pretty good?
I just gotta practice backing up. couldn't see.
Yeah, you had to fish the mirrors. That's my bad. Should show you how to do it. What a little hump. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm trying to get back to the YouTube community, so welcome me back in. You did. It ain't like I left my base didn't go nowhere. They finna have a car meet. Y'all want me to show out for them? Show them boy what dodges. But they in the wrong gang, dog. Ooh! They ain't want no smoke. They over there in no 392. Oh my God, I'm at.